Have you ever played an online game that tells you if any of your Facebook friends are playing too? How about a dating app that tells you if your prospective match and you share any mutual friends? There are companies out there that depend on Facebook's trove of data, and there are hundreds of them. Even President Obama turned to Facebook during his 2012 re-election campaign. His advisors built a tool that identified potential supporters based on their friends' connections. The result? Those voters who were targeted clicked 5 times as many times as those who weren't. The specific piece of Facebook data that is most valuable to external app developers is called a social graph. That's the list of friends, interests, and likes that knits Facebook's community together. The changes, which took effect in May, are rippling throughout Silicon Valley and beyond, upsetting startups, halting academic research, and overhauling 2016 presidential campaign strategies.
College Connect was one of those fatalities. The app connected prospective college students to friends and friends of friends who attended schools they wanted to go to. The app couldn't function without access to Facebook's data. Another fatality was Jobs with Friends. The app connected users to friends and friends of friends with similar professional interests. The app was open for a year before it was forced to shut down because of Facebook's rule change.
Facebook says it made the changes in an effort to protect user privacy, but many external app developers are more cynical, saying Facebook extended access early on when it needed users. Outsiders say that Facebook is cutting them loose now that it's big enough to stand on its own. Some companies have chosen to switch strategies rather than shut their doors, but privacy experts tell us that these strategies may give rise to data mining tactics that users ultimately find more objectionable.
One startup analyzes and mines phone contact lists and emails, essentially recreating the social graph without Facebook's data by making predictions and inferences about the quality of relationships. For example, if mom is stored in your phone contact list, the company assumes you have a family relationship. If there's a business account that you email with a lot, it would assume you have a close business relationship.
So far, analytic tactics like these are only being used when people give the apps permission to use their data. But who knows where these techniques will go?